how to delete Quora account permanently. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your Quora app and make sure to log into your account. After logging in, you'll be able to see this interface over here. So in order to delete your Quora account, you have to first tap on the profile icon in the left upper corner. After that, you have to tap on the settings option, which is in the left bottom corner. And here you'll be able to see privacy option in the second row, so you have to go through it. After going through it, you have to scroll down below and you'll be able to see the delete account option, so you have to tap on that. So before deleting, you have to enter your password over here. So in the text box, you have to tap and enter your password. If you forgot your password, then you can go for forgot password option and they will help to recover your password. And after that, you can follow the same step and delete your Quora account. And after entering your password, you have to simply tap on done option in the right upper corner, and by doing that, your Quora account will be deleted. So by following this simple step, you can delete Quora account permanently. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.